Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here. We'll be exploring the introduction to the concrete slump test. The title itself highlights how crucial this test is in the field. Throughout this session, we'll cover what the slump test is, why it matters, and how it helps ensure quality in concrete work. So, let's get started and dive into the basics of this important testing method. Let's start with step 1. Check concrete temperature. It's crucial to ensure that the fresh concrete temperature stays below 35 degrees Celsius. Why is this important? Well, maintaining the right temperature helps us keep the concrete workable and easy to handle. More importantly, it prevents the water in the mix from evaporating too quickly, which can lead to problems like cracking or weak spots. By monitoring the temperature carefully, we're setting the foundation for strong, durable concrete that will perform well over time. Remember, controlling temperature is a key part of quality assurance in concrete placement. Now, let's move on to step 2, performing the slump test. The key here is to fill the slump cone in 3 distinct layers. Make sure to compact each layer properly before adding the next. Once the cone is filled, lift it smoothly and steadily without any jerking. The next important step is to measure the slump, which is the vertical distance the concrete subsides after lifting the cone. Ideally, we're aiming for a slump between 5 and 9 centimeters. This measurement helps us assess the workability of the concrete, which is crucial for ensuring quality and consistency in our work. Remember, a proper slump test is vital for understanding how well the concrete can be placed and finished. Now, moving on to step 3, take concrete samples. Right after we perform the slump test, it's crucial to collect fresh concrete samples immediately. This ensures we get an accurate representation of the concrete's current state. Then, we prepare cylinders. And remember, the minimum is 6 cylinders per 100 cubic meters of concrete. These samples are vital because they allow us to perform further tests later on, verifying the quality and consistency of the mix. Timing is important here. Collecting samples right after the slump test helps us maintain the integrity of the sample quality. Overall, this step is key to ensuring that our concrete meets the required standards and performs as expected on site. Let's talk about the final step in our process, the verification and test report. At this stage, it's crucial to verify that all the standards and specifications have been met. This means carefully checking the compliance of our work with all relevant codes and project requirements. Once we've confirmed everything is in order, we document the results thoroughly. This documentation provides a clear record of what was tested, the outcomes, and any observations. After that, we issue the approval report. This is a formal confirmation that everything has passed inspection and meets the necessary criteria. Only then, once all these steps are complete, do we give the go-ahead for the concrete pour. This final verification ensures quality control and safety, aligning perfectly with our overall goal of delivering a reliable and durable structure. It's a key moment where thoroughness and attention to detail really pay off.